In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your FXIFY to Tradingview. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to open up FXIFY.com like you usually would. Now from here you'll need to go over to the right hand corner and go over to Get Funded over here and then purchase your account. Once from here you'll need to select your specific product that you want to purchase, the account balance, and lastly you'll need to add the platform. And it's very important that you choose Tradingview over here, or else it will not work and you will never be able to connect that specific account to Tradingview. From here you'll simply need to fill in all the details and then go over to proceed with payments and review your order and pay and receive your credentials. Now from here you'll need to write these credentials down, and then from here you'll need to go over to Tradingview because we will use Tradingview to connect to Tradingview. And from here you'll simply need to go up to Tradingview.com, and then from here you'll need to go up to the login section over here, and then the username that FXIFY will provide you will give the username here and just password, and then click login. And then from here you'll need to sign in and use the required agreement and just select accept. Once from here you'll need to open up a new tab where you'll need to go up to Tradingview.com and then log into your account or sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Now from here you'll need to go over to products and then go down to superchart like so. And once from here it should be looking something like this. Now from here you'll be able to go over to the right hand side and go over to where it says trade with a broker over here. And once from here it should be looking something like this. Now from here you'll simply need to go to the search bar up here and click in Tradingview like so. And from here you'll just need to simply click on it, and then from here you'll be able to click remember me and then connect, and then Tradingview will open up again where you can enter in your username and password that FXIFY has provided for you, and then click login and then connect to your account. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!